Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share you my chocolate frosting recipe that you can use on your cupcakes, on your cakes, and in many other desserts. And yes, it is low calorie, no butter, no sugar, no cream, no chocolate, and yet delicious. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe it because I'm going to show you more recipes with this frosting. So here I'm using 40 gram of cacao powder, 30 gram of stevia instead of sugar, and here I have around 15 to 20 gram of corn flour and half a cup of milk. Whisk everything together until no lumps left. Keep on mixing, and then we are going to cook it on low heat. Make sure you cook it on low heat, otherwise it will get burned. Once it thickens, then it's done. Let it cool on room temperature. Now can you see how thick is it? How fluffy, how thick, how shiny. No sugar, no butter, and yet delicious. Trust me, you must give it a try. If you are a chocolate lover and you are still diet conscious, then yes, this is for you. Thanks for watching. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated.